Hello there! In this video we are going to go over how to make a tea latte using loose leaf tea. This can be done in 3 easy steps with room for customization to make your latte exactly how you like. The first step is to steep your tea. There is no rule to which tea you should use for a latte, as each one presents its own unique flavor. For this one, we are going to use organic white chai. With cinnamon and cardamom, this tea is a very tasty and cozy blend that is a great option for lattes. We typically recommend steeping 1 to 2 teaspoons per 8 ounces of water for each of our tea blends. However, we are going to add a 1/3 teaspoon to bring out a stronger flavor for mixing into a latte. Next, we are going to steep the tea for the recommended time. Since this tea is caffeinated, we are going to stick to 2 to 4 minutes. But if you are using an herbal blend, you can steep for a longer amount of time, which is another way to create a stronger flavor. Step 2 is going to be prepping your milk. You can use whichever kind of milk you like for your latte. In this case, we are going to use coconut milk to add a bit of flair to the spiced flavor of our white chai. Steam and then froth the milk. For this latte, we are going to add some ground cardamom before we froth the milk. Other tasty additions could include cinnamon, nutmeg, or other spices depending on which tea you use. Then we are going to move to the 3rd step, which is combining everything together. Add your tea and your frothed milk to a mug. A good tea latte ratio is 3/4 of a cup of tea to 1/4 of a cup of milk. Stir well and garnish if you like. We've topped this one with some more cardamom. We hope this guide has inspired you to create some delicious tea lattes of your own and try out a variety of combinations. Until our next cup together, happy steeping!